or should I say I was gifted an induction hob. And well, forgive your girl, I actually assumed that all flat cooking surfaces were electrical, and I didn't know that the induction hob is actually different from the electrical cooking unit. And when I moved, or when I got this, I actually assumed it was an electric cooker. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Allow Me Aldo, and thank you so much for watching me. I appreciate it. And if you've seen me before and you're here again, I just want to say thank you so much. You're the real deal. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that you get notified anytime I drop a content. All right, so on today's video, I'm very excited because I just got this lovely gift. Like this gift, I'm so excited about it. It's actually a kitchen cookware, and I'm happy to unveil the gift with you guys. I got it from my lovely sister, and yes, I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I want to carry you guys along with me as I unveil the gift, and of course we decorate my kitchen. All right, so if this is something that you would like to watch, just stay with me till the end of the video. All right, like I said earlier, I just got this lovely gift, and in today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing this gift with you. We'll just see the content, and then of course we'll just just have one or two words about what we think about it. Yeah, that's right. I recently got, or should I say I was gifted an induction hob, and well, forgive your girl, I actually assumed that all flat cooking surfaces were electrical, and I didn't know that the induction hob is actually different from the electrical cooking unit. And when I got this, I actually assumed it was an electric cooker. But when I tried to use it, although I saw it written on it that it was an induction hob, I assumed that every cookware could work with it. And I tried using my current pots, and I discovered that it wasn't working. It just kept giving me like the faulty sign, and I was wondering what was going on. I was actually going to even call up the company to report the appliance. And then my partner decided to do some more research, and then we discovered that yeah, we needed like a different set of cookware to work on it. And so what happened was I was already lamenting because I didn't have like any, and my sister decided to come to my aid, and she said she was going to order me a set of hots, and that is what I have here today. And that's why actually I had to get a new set of cookware. And yeah, so that's the reason why we have this, and that's why I'm going to be doing this unboxing. I just want you guys to watch as we do it. I just picked it up from the concierge, and let's see what's inside. So just gonna angle this so that it captures everything. Yeah, now don't look at my address. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm not exactly a very patient person when it comes to unboxing, so forgive me if I rip up this box because I don't know how am I supposed to get around it. Okay, yeah, the way I am. So yeah, I'm curious. Oh, okay, thank God I didn't get to rip it. So yeah, I'm opening it up, and this is actually not my first experience with an induction hob. Well, when I used to work as a chef, yes, I used to be a chef. I actually had this experience where I also had like a similar flat cooking surface, and I somehow, when I undertook the induction, they showed me how to put it on, and I put it on and it was okay. It looked like the regular cooking stuff. But when I was the one on duty, I was working alone. I tried to put it on and it just wasn't working, and I was wondering what was going on. I called my supervisor. She had to call the person that had trained me, and the person told me you have to put a pot on top of it first, before you put it on, before it works. So actually that's how an induction hob works. Unlike the electric cooker where you can just turn it on and it just stays on, you start seeing the red light and all. With induction hob, you have to have your cookware on it first before it even comes on. And then the interesting bit is that it's not every cookware that works on the induction hob, so it has to be that induction hob friendly cookware for it to even start working. Yeah, so yeah, that's me. And then here, there we go. See, buying things online without seeing it, they'll be looking so big. Well, that's the good thing about measurements. Always knowing what the measurements are, looking through, we like prepare you for what to expect. So I have this, I think this is like the hot plate mats, or yeah, and then let me reset the angle so you can see the contents. Yeah, I have, honestly, even though I saw the measurements, I still assume that they were bigger. Like, I don't want to say I'm pained, but when I saw the carton, actually, I was already a bit discouraged because I was expecting that at least some of them would be big. I knew that quite a number of them will be small. Okay, so this is Sensiat. That's the name of the cookware. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but you can just see it, oh yeah, on the screen. That's the name of the cookware. And yeah, this is the size. I'm sure on camera it will still look bigger, but it looks quite small. Yeah, it looks quite small. I'll put a link to it on the description so that you would know. Yeah, the pan, the cook pan looks a bit sizable. Yep. The spots. For people like us that like to cook like massively, yeah. Well, but it's solid. It looks really, yeah, looks really strong. And then this is another mat. I think this is for this one. Yeah, I'll need to angle this thing so that you guys can see everything well. And then apparently, I guess this is the biggest of them. Like they don't want us to be eating like plenty food, so they want us to be eating small. So we'll be eating it small. Well, the other bit is if I want to return and order a bigger one. I don't know about that, but because I've waited for this. Okay, this is the saucepan. I think we're kind of almost done with this. These are the handles. Let me just drop this down so that there's more room for you to see. It's okay, it's not working out, so I think this is broken. Okay, so yeah, I think these are the biggest sets. Why is it so hard? Oops. Yeah, there we have it. Okay, so I think this is the biggest. Honestly, I expected it to be like way bigger than this. Way bigger. But well, I don't know. And then this is supposed to be like the handle. This guy is the one us to be eating like a lot of food. Though. I just want us to be. This is the handle. So I think it grips. Yeah. So it has a detachable handle, which you can take off and you can always put right back on. Yeah, I just clipped it right. Yeah, so that goes for like all the others. They also have their handles. The fry pan is good. It's good. This is supposed to be the cover for one of them. Yep, so I think this cover should work quite well. Well, the material looks really good. I would say it's really like, if I'm doing like small cooking, of course you can't do like the massive cooking that I usually like to do, because I usually like to cook and then store in the fridge. But with this, I would have to like, this is supposed to be like covers if you want to store in the fridge. So it comes with like the extra covers. Yep. there you go, this, and then this covers this one. So, and then it has this, and then there's a knob, which I'll put, I think they should be able to cover this one. Let's see what this other knob is. I'm not sure I want to start screwing the knob, but well, the material looks really good, so yep, there we go. This will be here. So another cover. Now the cookware looks really great, honestly, sis. I appreciate this gift a lot. It's lovely. My kitchen is about to have like a brand new look, and I'm happy about that. I'm really excited about it, and I'm thankful for it. Yeah, this will take all my spaghetti bolognese and all. I'm gonna be using it for this one. The reason is for it. I like it. I really like it. Or I think the smaller one, not for this one, because this is the biggest size. All right, I'm sure you guys are seeing it. So this is the biggest pan. Yeah, I really like this pan. This one is very sizable, and it should do the job quite well on my hob. And then I have the mats. I can put it on. So I'm really excited. My kitchen is gonna get a new look. I'm happy about it, and yeah, I'll try and put it on fire and see how it works. I say on fire. I'll try and put it on the hob and then of course just like show you guys a bit of how it looks on the hob. And yeah, so that is it. Yeah, my kitchen is just taking this new shape, and I'm excited about the cookware. I can't wait to start cooking with it. Yeah, I think I should prepare something with it this afternoon. I should, right? Yes, I waited so long for it, so it's about time I start using it. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna use it. And yeah, so this will be for like my kitchen makeover. So I don't know, what do you guys think about it? The material looks really good, like it looks really good, and it was a bit, should I say pricey? Depends. I'm not really a kitchen girl. Yeah, I'm a designer. I know the importance of getting really quality stuff, when you're setting up your kitchen, right? But I'm not just the kind of person that personally would have invested so much in kitchen cookware. So for the price of this item and the size, should I say that it's fair? Well, I guess I can say it's fair. Yeah, it's fair because the quality is really good. But what do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it? I don't know. Is it something you want to try out? Like I said, I'll put the link in my description, so you might want to try getting it, especially if you have an induction hob. But I believe you should work on any other cooker, It's just the induction hob that is like very picky about it. I really like the oven pan. It's really cool. Yeah, so is it something you would want to try out? And what do you think about it? What do you think about my gift? Do you like it? Do you think my sis did really well sending me this gift? Whatever your thoughts are, please just put it in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and then to share. You'll definitely be getting really cool quality stuff. I talk about project management, I talk about design, I talk about interior design. So yeah, stay tuned for like lots of yummy content. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.